This is a message for the Almeida Racing Academy members. It's happening. Your development in the last 6 weeks has been brilliant, and now it's time to launch our new league season. This time we'll have more balanced splits, less teams, and lots of team dynamics to spice things up. During the last league, you improved your lap times and also your racecraft and side-by-side battling skills. The chosen car for this season is the Formula Ford FF 1600, and here's why. This car is extremely responsive to weight transfer while being forgiving over the limit, which will help you refine your ability to keep your rear tires closer to the limit all the time. Also, we will work on your racing IQ because of how aggressive the slipstream is in this car. Our team versus team championship allows us to think strategically and help your teammates while trying your best not to help your rival teams. The biggest change we're gonna have in the Season 3 is the addition of pre-qualifying for the series to better balance our splits and make sure that every driver is placed in the most competitive and balanced group, because the closer the racing level, the more everyone can improve. Now, here's how pre-qualifying will work. From March 10th to March 16th, we will run lone qualifiers with 4 lap sessions. Your pre-qualifying will be the average of your 3 fastest laps, and the splits will be made based on those results. We will be hosting around 15 sessions throughout the week, and you can join as many sessions as you want. We're also doing something a little different with track selection. Each week, we will match up with an official iRacing series, but we will select tracks from both the Rookie Series and the D-Class Series in order to run a track that's conducive to great racing each week. The races will have a slightly different format from last league. Instead of 2 races, we're going to be running 3 races this season, 2 15-minute heats and 1 20-minute feature. The top 10 from heat 1 will be inverted for race 2, and there will be no inversion for the feature, so your results from heat 2 will set the grid for the main race. We're also polling the community to understand if a time change will make it easier for you to attend, so the first race is happening on either Saturday, March 22nd or Sunday, March 23rd. Now, about the weekly event schedule, you all have responded super well to the current schedule, so we're gonna do the same thing, but more of it. We're adding an additional workshop on Mondays that works better for those of you on the North America West Coast, and an additional pit party on Fridays to accommodate our European friends. Keep an eye out for a separate announcement with details about weekly events, including workshops and pit parties. Guys, we have seen you improve quickly individually before, but never a whole group improve so quickly. It's thanks to your hard work that we've seen so much progress and your continued engagement with the learning opportunities and environments that we have created for you. It's truly an honor to be part of your growth, and we will be in touch with more details soon. Thank you.